This is Will. Will owns a small business selling products online. He's an e-tailer. But what does that mean? Will receives products from overseas as well as directly from UK manufacturers, which are then delivered to his storage facility. His customers buy the products online. He accepts payment and uses a trusted courier or post to deliver the items to customers, last-mile couriers, or click-and-collect points. Will's original storage is not efficient, and as demand grows, he needs to find a more flexible storage solution to keep his growing business running smoothly. But what happens when he runs out of space? He now has a number of options available to him. Will can look to rent or buy new premises, outsource his fulfillment needs, or he can maximize his storage space. Fortunately for Will, Link 51 is able to increase his storage capacity by providing flexible storage solutions. Their experienced design team help Will to select the right solution that will accommodate his needs. He can choose from pallet racking for bulk storage, shelving for hand-picked items, or a mix to suit his requirements. Even multi-level storage using mezzanine or tiered structures to make best use of Will's warehouse height. This frees up space for more storage, extra staff, and eventually bigger premises. Whichever product Will chooses, Link 51 will install the required bespoke shelving system at his premises. Link 51 work closely with warehouse automation suppliers to provide conveyors, lifts, and other warehouse management automation systems, helping to make your operation as efficient as possible. The right storage solution makes best use of your available space, helps improve efficiency, and gives you all the room you need to let your business grow.